Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099 NEC. First, determine if you are required to file this form for payments made to non-employees, typically for services over $600. This form is specifically for non-employee compensation. Remember to meet the filing deadlines, which are generally at the end of January for recipients and the IRS. Getting this right ensures compliance and avoids potential penalties. Now, let's prepare your Form 1099 NEC. You'll need the recipient's name, address, and taxpayer identification number, usually a social security number or employer identification number. Carefully enter the total non-employee compensation paid in Box 1. Double-check all other boxes for accuracy, including any federal income tax withheld. Precision here is key to avoiding errors and ensuring smooth processing. When it's time to submit, you have options. You can file electronically through the IRS's FIRE system, which is often recommended for efficiency, or mail paper forms. Remember to send copy A to the IRS, copy B to the recipient, and keep copy C for your records. Before sending, review for common errors like incorrect taxpayer identification numbers or misreported amounts. A quick check can save you a lot of hassle later on. To wrap up, always maintain meticulous records of all payments and forms filed. This practice is invaluable for future reference and potential audits. If your situation is complex or you have specific questions, don't hesitate to consult a qualified tax professional for personalized advice. They can provide clarity and ensure you're fully compliant. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.